Hello, and welcome to Best Work from Home Remote Jobs Just for You. So, today we have this job that's a customer care associate that can pay up to daily to $224 per day. This is a full time job, it is remote within the United States. And it says, do you want to be part of a collaborative customer service team? In this role, you'll be responsible to facilitate, analyze, and resolve customers' issues through a variety of communication channels, including phone, email, and chat. You will serve as a suite of absence products such as short-term disability, state paid family leave, and Family Medical Leave Act. You will be initiating new absences for members as well as answering questions about current benefits and claims. So if you're a person that you're a consummate professional with excellent verbal and written communication skills, you're self-motivated and goal-oriented, and you thrive in a fast-paced environment where best-in-class customer service is your standard, you're patient, empathetic, detail-oriented, and work well independently in a team setting, you're a tech-savvy problem solver that can treat customers and compassionate and care. So if you are those qualifications, definitely add those into your cover letter because that's exactly what they're looking for. And your mission, or what you'll be doing over here, will be serve as a company ambassador by delivering exceptional customer service in the contact center, collaborate across teams to solve customers' issues and provide product support, build relationships with the Guardian members and providers by ensuring their needs are fulfilled in a timely and satisfactory fashion, contribute in an ever-evolving work environment where everyone's ideas matter, take customer calls and provide accurate, satisfactory answers to their queries and concerns, de-escalate situations involving dissatisfied customers, offering patient assistance and support, develop in-depth knowledge of a company, products, and or services. So at Guardian, you'll have the support and flexibility to achieve your professional and personal goals through skill building, leadership development, and philanthropic opportunities. We provide opportunities to build communities and grow your career surrounded by diverse colleagues with high ethical standards. What they do offer, if you take this position, is meaningful and challenging work opportunities to accelerate technology and innovation in a secure and compliant way, competitive compensation, excellent medical, dental, and supplemental health, life, and vision coverage for you and your dependents with no wait period, life and disability insurance, a great 401k with match, tuition assistance, paid parental leave, and backup family care, dynamic modern work environments that promote collaboration and creativity, flexible time off, dress code, and work location policies to balance your work life and life in the ways that suit you best. Social responsibility in all aspects of work. We volunteer with local communities, create education alliances with colleges, drive a variety of initiatives in sustainability, and advocate for diversity and inclusion in all that they do. So this will be full-time, this will be remote in the United States, and is an equal employment opportunity. So if you feel like you're the person that's right for this position, go ahead and apply. I'll put the link right below so you can go ahead and apply right there in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new remote work just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.